model 67 Camaro we're in, guys. 383 stroker. We just got this in. It was owned by the same owner for 15 years. 383 stroker motor, 350 turbo trans, 373 10-bolt posi. All the right combination. Owned by the same owner for 15 years. And I'll tell you what, this thing's a little beast. Don't build one yourself, guys. Save yourself a ton of money. Call Tom today, and we'll park this one in your driveway for a portion of the cost. You know, I'm available 7 days a week at 248-974-9513 to help you with any questions you may have. And also, go to ClassicCarBuyingSecrets.com. We've created a 7 deadly mistake report to help you save money on costly mistakes when buying a car on the internet. And also go to our website, VanguardMotorsales.com, and become social subscribers on YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook, so you can see beautiful cars like this before they're offered to the public. I want to thank you for joining us today, man.